Good day, traders. This is Rick with your futures trading coach aftermarket update for the live trading alert call room. Today is Thursday, May 12th, and I'm going to let you guys know what we did today. Today we had a little bit of fun. We had the gold chart up along with crude. Just had more trades than we knew what to do with. We did not have any losers today. And there was more trades here. Quite honestly, we just missed some because you can't get them all. I think we had like 11 trades. But I'm going to run through them here in the order from left to right, just so that we can make it easy. The first trade we had was in crude oil. That was at 9:06 Central Time. The price was 46.46. It was an RS trade. That one made 15 pennies. Anybody who had a runner who took up to 15 and then went minus 15 or whatever they took, even if they took 7 and they went minus 7 for a break even to try to get more, never would have been taken out. And we got up to 10 to 15 on the first push down, and then 30 down here. And then, of course, after we get to 25 pennies, we go to entry. So your stop would have been an entry, and then as you see, it never really looked back. I mean, we could have gotten up to, all the way down here, really whatever you wanted on it. But most of the people were out of the trade there. 46.46, and it went down to, 45. About 80 pennies or so, but 15 to 30 for most, and then those with larger size, would have gotten more. For those who were out, we also had another trade, an add-on trade. We had a power play. An understanding trade that was at 46.23. Told everybody on that one if that was a new entry, 15 pennies. Up to 15 pennies on that one. That was on the 921 candle. That was another winner. Then on the gold market, we got short. Told everybody to short. It was a high level RS. That's one of our advanced trades. That was at 912, 1279.4, 1279.4, and again you'll see this thing went all the way down. We actually tried for people who took profits here. It was about 20-25 ticks. For those people who took profits here and got out, we actually could have got in again, but I saw it too late because we were in another trade. This was another trade we did not take, but you still obviously could have been in from up here. We then had an add-on or a new entry, which was a power play at 1274.4, and that was on the 954 candle. And my first target here was 15 pennies. You'll see my circle there. When the market kept coming down, I said we had a ZL coming in. Told everybody to get out 1268.7. Told everybody after this red candle get long. We got long, and that one made from 1268.7. First target there was about 13-14 pennies, and then for those who went minus 14 pennies and tried to get more, my circle was hit later on, and that was over here. That was right after the room, right as the room was closing. Actually, my target was hit there, so that would have been up from 67. It was 35 ticks or so. This power play short, or from up here, the power play short for from the new entry made from 174.2 until my target. That was well over 50 ticks. There, and from the 79.4 all the way down to 68 was well over 100 ticks. So great day in gold. 3 trades in gold. Actually, this was a long here. Sorry, I moved this. Okay. Then in ES, we had an aggressive trade right at the open. Still worked out fine, but told everybody that we were going to get in here. We got short at 1265. I'm sorry, where are we at here? We got short here at 67.75. 67.75. Right when the market opened. And we added at 69.75. Now you'll see it went up and touched 69.75. Some people never got filled on the ad, so they never had to add. Those who got filled on the add-on got out at break even, and then when it came back down, got back in at 67.75. We then had a new entry or an add-on at 842 at 2064.75. Again, we added on 675, got back in again, and you'll see it went down again here. And it went down to the target, and again, you could have gotten anything you really wanted on this trade. From the 857 candle, 64.75, you'll see the market went all the way down for about 14, 15 points. Some people took profits in here and then added back on. Some people got out and then got in on new entries. So that was a nice winner there, a power play. Then we had an RS trade at 61 on the 927 candle right here, and that one went down to my circle, which was my target, and that was about 2.5 points there. And then if you were in from an add-on above, again, your average would have been somewhere up here. You never would have been taken out. We then had another entry or an add-on at 60 or 58 short right here on the 945 candle. So we were constantly taking profits, adding on, moving our average down. But you'll see if you got in here and then got in here, your average was up here. You never got taken out. If you added on here, it moved your average down, but you still would have never got taken out. And again, those who took new entries, that was fine too. You know, couple points here, couple points there, couple points there, if you only had one contract or something, or you didn't want to hold. And then my target was, I had another target at 54.50, and then everybody had to be flat by the time the room closed down here at 49. So just a great day. And we're going to come back again and do it again tomorrow. Until then, we will see you back then. Have a great day.